Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to favorite templates in EPIK photo editor. As you know, in EPIK there are so many templates that you can choose and use freely. But if you you have your own favorite, you can actually add it to your favorites. So what you need to do is go to templates and find the templates that you like the best. For example, I want to add this template here to my favorite, so just click on the template, and after that you'll see there is a favorite button here. Just click on that and it will be added to your favorite. You can also find other favorite. For example, I want to add another one. Okay, I'm going to add this ones right here. Just click on the favorite, and then after that, if you want to find where is your favorite template, you can just go back to the edit page, and here click on your account, and here you'll see a favorite. Click on that, and here is your favorite templates. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.